Hello all, Namaste. Welcome to Mother Teacher Training Academy. In this video, we will learn how to teach to our kids to trace the Hindi letter consonant Jha, the second Jha of Cha family, Cha Varg we call, and also the words, different words which start with the letter Jha, and also a tip on brain development. So let's get into the video of how to trace and what are the chants used to trace this letter in a simple way. Okay, so here we go with it. So this is Jha. So the steps to write this letter Jha is start with a short, very short standing line and then draw or trace English letter S and make a loop and then a short sleeping line from between, attached to it a standing line and a sleeping line running across it. Very simple, but too many connections, so little complicated. Let's do it again. A standing line, a very short one, English letter S with a small loop going down. From half of it, draw a short sleeping line, connected to it a standing line and a sleeping line running across this. So this is Hindi letter Jha, the pressure one, Jha. And let's do it one last time. A short standing line, connected to it an S with a loop. From middle, draw a short sleeping line, connected to it a standing line and a sleeping line running across it. So this is Hindi letter Jha, the Hindi letter Jha. And now let's see the different words which start with the letter Jha. So that is Jha se Jhanda. Jhanda is a flag. Yes, Jha se Jhanda. Jha se Jhadu. Jhadu is the broom, the one which we sweep. Jha se Jhadu. And Jha se Jhula, the swing we play in the park, right? Yes, so that is Jhula. Jha se Jhula. So what are the words? Jha se Jhanda. You can repeat after me. Jha se Jhanda. Jha se Jhadu. Jha se Jhadu. Jha se Jhula. Jha se Jhula. So these are the different words which start with the letter Jha. And now let's see the tip of the video. So that is, what are the benefits of walking? Parents, this applies even to you and for your child also. So when you walk at least few minutes a day, a 15-minute walk would really help you. And there are several benefits out of walking, which is like it increases the blood flow to the brain. We all know this. And then it also helps in brain declines, the serious issues also. And it also increases the memory, the mood, because when you go for a walk, you have a pleasant nature around you. You will have a good mood, calming. So even if you're out of mood, you're disturbed, even when your child is also disturbed, we generally make our kids to do it in the mindfulness programs, where it is one of the part of mindfulness. We call it as mindful walk. So when you're going when you're walking in the nature, we just ask the parent to walk along with the child without the screens, any mobiles, no mobiles, no iPods, anything. And then just walking and asking the child, and you also can really do this, like experience and activate all your five senses, like the smell, the sounds around you, and how is the texture of the sand you're walking on. So all these you can just speak to the child, speak to yourself, your child can ask you. So you can have a happy walk, which actually develops your brain. And then it enhances our creativity. Yes, while walking, you can just ask your child, Chalo, there is a cloud there. What is the shape of the cloud you are seeing there? How do you feel that the cloud is in which shape? So it's really very fun. Believe me, your child comes up with different answers. Like I could see like a horse, like a unicorn, like a rabbit, like a bunny, like a cat. So it's really very fun and a good time to have with your child, which is very important. And also, like of course, you have lot of cognitive skills also developed with this. So there are many benefits with a walk, with just a 15-minute walk, when it is pleasant, probably in the early hours of the day or in the nights. You can just take your child also along with you to have a great uh, time together. And I am sure it helps you a lot to change your mood and enhances your energy. Hope this works. Please do let us know how is it working for you, and even about the letter tracing also. And thank you so much. Let me meet you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Namaste.